Hello lovelies and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lia. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel, and if you're already subscribed, thank you for tuning in my video. So today, as you can probably tell by the title of this video, I have a Q&A for you, and I just love filming Q&As because you guys can get to know me a little bit better. And I just love answering your questions. So I asked you guys on Twitter and Instagram and in my previous video to send me some questions, and you did. So if you guys want to send me questions for my next Q&A video, don't forget to follow me on my Twitter and Instagram, which my Twitter is at LiasBeautyLife and my Instagram it is at Lia Lazai. So with no further ado, let's just get right into the fun part of this video. Firstly, go on Twitter and see what. The first question is by Nagar, and she says, what was your dream job as a kid? So as a kid, I always remember telling everyone how I wanted to become an architect. Yeah, like not even close to what I'm studying. Eriarta, I'm so sorry if I'm butchering anyone's name. The questions are gonna be in the screen so you guys can tell. Who is your favorite YouTuber, your YouTube inspiration? I have a lot of YouTubers that I love watching, but my favorite, I would say that is Tess Christine. I love her videos and I've been watching them for so many years now. Like, I've been watching her ever since she was like a college student and I was like in high school, so for a long time I've been watching her, and I feel like she's so amazing and so down to earth, and I just love her so much. I really do love Karen and Kwa, KK and Baby J. I feel like they are so nice and so down to earth as well. So that's what I would say. And I currently like love watching Tony Sevdalis, and she's so great. She posts like great videos. And Gloomy Vanilla says, what artist or band do you always recommend when someone asks for music recommendation? The Weeknd, like hands down. I don't even have to think about it twice. The Weeknd. Belle says, how do you start your beauty career? I don't think that I have a beauty career whatsoever. I just post YouTube videos. YouTube is not my job, not my career. So I just love makeup and I post makeup videos on YouTube. That's about it. But I wouldn't say that I have a beauty career. Like, I would love if one day I could work on YouTube. Like, YouTube would be like my part-time job. I don't think I could ever do YouTube full-time, but as a part-time job, I would love it. Amy says, biggest pet peeve. So, I do have some pet peeves, but the biggest ones are rude people. I cannot handle rude people. They annoy me so much. It's like I get so annoyed with rude people. I can't. I would say I'm very kind, so I like other people to be kind as well. Treat me the same way I treat them. So rude people and people with no manners, like, I just can't. Like, if you have no manners and rude, like, I will literally hate you. What is your favorite makeup product? The first one is the Lush Beauty, what is it called? Fold Out Palette, Face Palette. I just love it so much. I've done a full review on this one and it will be somewhere up there if you guys want to see it. But look at that. It literally has everything you will possibly need to do your face makeup, and I just love the powders, the blushes, the contour, the highlighter. As you can probably tell, like, I'm hitting pan on the highlighter. The eyeshadows, I use this black one for my eyebrows and it's amazing. I just love it so much. I use it every single day, and it also has a big mirror, which I'm obsessed with as well. And then this is another favorite of mine. It's called this by Makeup Revolution. It is their VIP lipstick in Elite, and it's the most beautiful like baby pink lipstick, and I got it last year when I went to London, and it was pretty much sold out everywhere, in every single store that sold Makeup Revolution. It was there on the stands. They promoted it, but it was sold out, and we literally went to like a local what is it called, Superdrug, on my like Superdrug near my friend's house, and we asked the girl if they have any left, and she went on the behind warehouse whatever, and she brought the 2 last ones, and we bought them. And next in November I'm going back to London, so I hope I can get and stock up on these because I'm obsessed with this lipstick. Sandra says makeup essentials you need if we want to start wearing makeup, also skincare product must-haves. Love your channel, by the way. Thank you, Sandra. I believe you must be in your early teen years, so I'd say a little bit of BB cream and maybe some mascara and maybe some eyebrow product you would need, and you can absolutely find these in the drugstore. I wouldn't suggest for someone starting off to go to high-end. I would definitely suggest Maybelline products are amazing for me. I believe they are really great, and I would suggest maybe getting like their Age Rewind concealer, which is really good for starting off, or their Fit Me concealer. I love that one so much. Maybe some of their mascaras are like, all of their mascaras are pretty much amazing. And skincare products must-haves. I don't really have like a must-have skincare product. Definitely like a moisturizer. Definitely moisturizer. And I'm gonna tell you what skincare products I use in the next video, which is gonna be a skincare routine. So Iman, sorry for butchering your name, says where you got the idea to open a YouTube channel, and I would like to know your favorite dessert. Lol, just curious. So I actually got like a ton of questions about me starting my YouTube channel. So I started watching YouTube videos when I was like 12, 13, and when I was 14 I just loved watching. I started watching Bethany Moda and all of these YouTubers, and I was like obsessed with them, pretty much like every other girl in my age, and just, I don't know, I wanted to do that. I wanted to open a camera and start talking, I don't know. And I remember my parents had like these like old Sony camera. I used to have like those discs, CDs discs that will record stuff. Like next time I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna try and see if I can import those videos into my laptop, and I'm literally going to show them to you guys, because it is ridiculous. But I remember doing that when I was like in grade 7th or 8th grade, somewhere around that. I think it was like 8th grade, and I would literally sit in front of the camera and start doing, I don't know, makeup, talking to the camera. And I remember that one night actually, like I had this little, it was like a dresser thing, and I had like a mirror over it, and I put like a lamp that was like the worst like yellowish orange lamp I could ever find. It was like so dark, and I would film, and I just like remember loving it. And then from there I started, I would borrow my sister's friend camera that she had, like a DSLR, and I would record with hers, but I would never post those videos. Like those, if I found those videos, it would be like a gem. I wouldn't even edit them, I would just film them, and that's it. And then I told my parents to to get me, because they would get me a present because I passed some exams, and I told them to get me a DSLR. So I got my DSLR, and I was like, it's now or never. If I don't post these videos now, I will never do it. So I did when I was like 16. It was like after 3 years of doing that, filming and never posting, I finally got the courage to post videos on YouTube. Alex says, what's your skincare routine? It's coming up very soon. I'm filming it and posting it. Idam says, what would be your idea of a cute little gift to someone, showing them that you appreciate them and that you care? Depends on who it is, and I would probably get someone something that they like to show them that I care. It depends, like some of my friends love books, so I would get them a book. Some of my other friends like clothes or jewelry, I'll get them something like that. But it actually depends on what your friends like. So who would inspire you to start your YouTube channel, and what was your biggest fear which you have overcome? Pretty much every YouTuber I watched, but I would definitely say it was more Lindsay Hughes and Bethany Moda. Those were my two top favorite YouTubers. I love them so much. I was very afraid to start uploading YouTube videos, and it was such a huge secret, like only 3 people knew that. Jocelyn says, what is your favorite season? Why? What is a very good childhood memory that you have? What made you want to start a YouTube channel? Sorry, I answered the last questions many times. It was like everyone asked me that question. So I love fall and winter. I'm obsessed with fall and winter. I cannot with summer. I just hate it. I actually hate warm weather. I'm not hot weather type of person. I just can't. I love being cold and I love cozy, and you know, during summer you cannot be cozy. It's like I freaking hate summer. And it's crazy because I live in Greece and it's pretty hot in here. I'd say my favorites would be the ones that are when me and my family would go on trips, road trips. Maru Aizol 10 says, if you could have a superpower, what would you choose and why? Being invisible or reading minds? I feel like that would be cool. Honey B says, since you're growing your YouTube channel, how hard was your journey on YouTube? I've been doing YouTube for almost 4 years. On December 13th I will be doing YouTube for 4 years, so I definitely say it's been a hard journey. But YouTube right now it makes it much more harder than when I started for new YouTubers and for YouTubers that don't get a lot of views, and it's been hard. I feel like when I started it was much easier than it is right now. So Jenny says, besides being a YouTuber, what is another career you would like to pursue? You would love to pursue? So if you guys don't know, I study political science, and I want to do something with political sciences and with law, something like that. Melanie says, what is something you're afraid of? Losing people and being alone. I don't know, something that I'm afraid of. Devoracm, Deveracm says, it's my dream to travel the world, and Greece is the one I want to go the most. Greek mythology is one of the main reasons why I love. What part of Greece would you recommend to people from all over the world to visit? Definitely I would suggest Greek islands. I'd suggest definitely Crete. It's insanely beautiful. It's really pretty. The places here are unreal. It's a little bit hard to get to those places, but they are so freaking gorgeous and worth it. Everything. And I would definitely say around Cyclades. Santorini is really beautiful. Ias is really pretty, and it's like amazing for those who want to party but on a budget. And if you want to party and you don't have a budget and you want to spend anything and everything, I was just going to Mykonos. But if you guys are on a budget, Ias is the next best thing. And I would also really suggest going to other islands, you know, that they're not as popular on the Ionian side, and that's where I'm from, and it's beautiful, beautiful. I would definitely suggest my hometown, Corfu. It's a place that you can party, you have amazing beaches, you can relax, you can see history, you can do everything, and I just love it. It's my hometown. And I would also suggest Athens if you're in for mythology and history. Athens has amazing museums, and despite being like a huge city and cars and a lot of people, it has a lot of beautiful places to visit. Ali says, what's your favorite place to relax? Definitely my bed. So these are all the questions I will be answering for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any further questions that you think I did not answer and you would like to know, then comment them down below and I will be sure to answer them. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more exciting videos that are coming up. I love you all, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys!